Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change display name style on Discord. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my profile and then we can select edit profiles right here. And then you can change your display name. Unfortunately, it's not free guys. If you want to change your name styles, you need to subscribe to Discord. You need to subscribe to Nitro, and I'm going to click on change style, and here we can customize the font and choose effect as well. There will be 5 effects that we can apply: solid, gradient, neon, tune, and also pop. And I'm going to make my name shine, so I'm going to choose neon, and then you can choose the color. For the color, I'm going to choose green. And yeah, just click on apply. And this is how the style looks like. Thank you guys, and that's how you can change your display name style on Discord. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!